And I'm sure everyone's tired of the same old stuff all the time. So that's why today's different. Today is completely different. I'm talking about unedited, uncut, and completely wild. Hey, look! It's the end of the world. Or like a dream. There's like these angels walking up people's steps. It's really weird. Who does that? This is the part where I go to school.
You gonna tell me?
This. What? This is the sexy band.
Is it filming? There's your shit. Everybody like your haircut? Wish I had this haircut. So sweet.
Call her Bob.
And there's Zachary Trammell.
Yeah, that's the news of it now.
That's right, I am.
String need to be soaked and then dry.
Ice cutters.
What do you mean?
I'm playing with Morgan.
Steven, wait for me.
What do you mean? What are you? Steven.
Stop!
What were you doing?
She wasn't doing anything.
Huh? I was like,
Nothing.
Look at those people. Quit hitting!
Yoni, what should we do? We should make a sex video.
No.
Yoni, Kevin, say some words for the cam.
Hey, what it is?
Yoni wants to make a sex video.
Hey, look!
Oh.
Like, they're pink,
Oh, I do like those, Ben. You're right.
You wear those every day.
You guys always say that!
There, Yoni, get out of the camera.
You want a strip show?
Get out of here!
Hey! I wouldn't do it.
Eli, come here. Wait, Eli!
Okay, I stood up. I said
This is Morgan's.
Oh, Eli,
There's like chemical waste in that thing.
Ethan!
There's like chemical waste in that thing. Chris, try it. Try it. It's very tasty. It's very tasty.
Please try
Load of bullshit. What's in it?
Get it.
Try it!
It's good. It's good. I tried it. It's good.
I want to feed it to you, though.
No, I'm not gonna
throw
bend
it.
that.
If
Let me
you
see
throw
it.
I'm gonna
Let me
cry.
see it.
Don't mess with it. If you don't want to eat it, don't touch it. Seriously.
Give it to me. Tell me to eat it.
Ben's not.
Tell him it's
was here
different.
yesterday, you
Tell him it's
idiot.
different. Tell him it's different.
Ew, no,
It's really good.
It's good.
Those are the shit cookies. You should be shot.
Hey, no. Eat it.
No, you
Eat it. I dare it. Eat it. He's gonna eat it. Watch.
not.
Give it to him. He's gonna eat it.
Be quiet.
Hey, Ben. She needs to be carried.
What? You're not gonna study chemistry tomorrow at all?
Bum.
Sex little animal. It's kind of bad. Had sex.
What? Actually, you know what happened to it today?
Hurry up.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yes. Perfect, Morgan. Perfect. I got that on tape.
Hey, no!
What do you have to say to that, Morgan?
My butt hurts. What I have to say to that. Yeah, that
What are you thinking about, Lacey?
Such a
You retarded.
What does that mean?
Yoni,
What does that mean? What is that?
it's like.
Okay, the first word is
Oh, quick. Turn the camera off. You were in
No,
charge.
big thing. I don't touch it.
You were in charge. You get back here. Don't you circle around Tommy like he's going to protect you. Why is this kid filming me?
So, like, it didn't print. Can I study all these?
Yeah. Any last words for your finals?
What?
It's raining outside.
Stop.
It's raining outside.
Pisco's redneck.
Why? What the hell are you saying? What the hell are you saying? I'm gonna greet you.
Laces on the ground.
Wait, does anyone have the connector link. Was anyone see the connector link? A link thing.
Connector link?
Oh, I have mine. Oh, I didn't bring it.
For what? For what?
Do you have one?
For what?
For what?
Link. So I gotta get that.
God, no.
Do you have one?
I think I've got one, but I think it's for the pluses.
I need to put some.
I need one. I need one.
Why do you have more than one calculator? Is one of them you have
Okay, do
blue?
you have one of those strings?
Kevin McCarthy does.
I got some good shots.
Oh, look at that! Building's on fire!
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. It was a lot easier.
Come on, Ivy. Blondie.
She's being what? What's wrong with my neck?
I just want to give you. That's what he said.
It's your boy, Steve, looking sexy as hell as always. My boy Yoni over here, I don't know what the looking like. But me right here, oh yeah.
Hey, Mr. Hoffman!
Yoni.
What? You're like,
This is heavy.
I have Parkinson's.
No.
Where's Tommy? Steve, where are you going? I'm so much.
What's this movie for?
I don't know.
Is this still your camcorder?
Outside. Pull my jacket, please. Stop it! No.
How the hell? Tell me to take off my camera after school.
Yoni, what time did you get here?
69?
He texted me at 7 o'clock. I was like, Morgan, I'm here at school. Why did you get here so early, Yoni? Because Joe told him to. Not kidding.
That was pretty bad. Buck teeth.
Yoni, take
Getting wet.
My dad calls fat women.
At the beach.
Calls them bootlegs.
Is that recording?
Yes.
What? Fantastic weather.
Oh, the weather outside is free.
Look at those buck teeth.
Where's the heart go?
Look at this. Hold on.
Since you're making a sandwich,
Where do you want to go?
David Brumley.
what a hottie.
No, actually, Daniel.
Morgan, look at those buck teeth. Look at those buck
Stop
teeth.
it!
Look at them.
Not. This is raining.
Alright, Joe, let's go.
I'm working.
Why is it so fogged? What did you do? Have sex on this?
It's water.
Oh, here it is. Yoni, put your hood on. Put your hood on. Put your hood on. Tim! Okay, hurry up. This is Morgan Camp because I am the bomb of the universe and the What am I? What am I? World. Katie's just there, and Yoni just has a camera. We just be his fingers.
We just use him for his camera
We use
ability.
it for everything. Take it! Ah!